It is Tuesday and it's the start of a new weekly vlog. I've had a shower. Well, I didn't have a shower actually, that's a lie. I had a bath and I purple shampooed my hair while I was in the bath. And as you can see, it has a slight purple tint to it. I did it today because I knew that obviously Monday is my birthday. So I thought if I purple shampoo my hair today, then when I next go to wash it, like these like tinted bits will come out a bit easier. Whereas if I did it right near my birthday, like the day before or something, this wouldn't come out. But yeah, that's what I've done. Just trying to like get some of like the brassiness out of it, and I don't feel like I have, because these bits here are still brassy. So maybe I have to just do the top half of my head and ignore these bits, but well, who cares? Who cares? It's just hair, so it doesn't really matter. I'm letting it dry naturally today, so it's got like a nice like a wave to it, and I've put a headband on just to keep it out of my face. But yeah, it is Tuesday. I'm doing nothing today. I had a bit of like a breakout and like a problem with my skin yesterday, all across here, so I couldn't film a video for today. And it was like really sore, so I couldn't put makeup on or anything. So I managed to calm that down a bit, but I've had like a bit of a breakout again because I've been wearing my mask a lot more recently, because me and David obviously, because now you have to wear it every time you go into a shop. Every time we've gone in any shop for food shopping or whatever, I think this is not helping, so it's bringing me out in spots. So what can you do, if I'm honest? But yeah, it is Tuesday. It's the afternoon. I'm shattered for some reason. I'm so tired today. Even though I slept really well yesterday. It's really miserable outside. But the rest of this week, it's meant to be boiling. It's meant to be really hot this week. Like 32 and stuff. So on Saturday, we are doing the barbecue that we was meant to do with Craig and Roz a couple of weekends ago. We was going to do a barbecue on a Saturday and the weather was terrible. Well, this week it's meant to be 32 degrees. And they were meant to be going to France like this week coming. And they're not going now, just in case the 2-week quarantine gets put in place while they're out. And we're also not going to France now either, which is really gutting, because it's kind of like the only holiday that I'm going to have this year. But like, I can take the 2-week quarantine because I don't have to go back to work. David can't, because he would have to go back to work, so that's 2 weeks of no pay, which is a lot of money really. So yeah, we aren't going. We're now trying to see if we can move our dates to sometime next year, because we'll go again next year. If not, we're gonna have to try and figure out when we can move our dates to a day, even if it's like just a day to go over to France, just to go to like Calais and go get like drink for Christmas or something, who knows, while you still can. But yeah, no holiday this year. So if the UK could give me amazing weather all this month, I'd really appreciate it, because I'm not going to a hot country, and I wouldn't really say this, like, I actually am going to miss having the sun and the beach. Me and David still have David still has the 2 weeks off. I need to remember, I don't have a job now, so it's not me and David have 2 weeks booked off, just David, because my whole life at this moment in time is booked off holiday in a sense. David's got 2 weeks booked off at the end of the month, so we're still going to use them because there's no point. So we said that what we might do is do a couple of days at the beach, go to like a beach, maybe just try and get like a cheap Airbnb or something, spend a few days at the beach like during the week, so it shouldn't be as busy. And then we said that we might try and do an Airbnb somewhere, who knows. We really wanted to do Wales, but there's not many Airbnbs in areas in Wales that we want to do. And then we was looking at seaside like resort like areas, and I would love to do Cornwall, and there is places in Cornwall, but it's not the places that we would want. I know it sounds like really funny. If I'm going to go stay in Cornwall, I want to stay in a house or a flat that has like a garden, somewhere that has a garden, or like a shepherd's hut. Me and David did that a few years ago, which was great. We stayed in a shepherd's hut near Norfolk, and it was so nice. But yeah, we would like to do something like that. But all the like places that we've seen in like Cornwall, Torquay and all that, they're not like close to the water, and we kind of want to be like, if we can, like walking distance to the water. So I'm going to still keep having a look, because it'd be nice just to go somewhere for a couple of days. But we're just going to do like loads of different bits and bobs. I think we're going to go to the seaside for a few days, go do something else and kind of just get out and about and use the 2 weeks to our advantage. So obviously that won't be coming up until after you see this. So if you have any like things that you think are good to do, like in the like south of England, yeah, I'm in the south, because obviously we're in like Essex right now, but obviously London, Essex, surrounding areas around Essex, Canterbury, where we've been to Canterbury because that's where my sister went to university and it was really lovely there. So we said that we might go back there for a few days maybe. But if you know of any places that aren't like silly distances away, we don't really want to go up to like Leeds, Manchester, Liverpool way, because obviously recently Manchester have been put into a lockdown. We kind of want to stay like down here, because at the moment down here hasn't had many lockdowns, so we're trying to keep our fingers crossed and hope that that stays the same way. But yeah, we're just thinking maybe do something like that. So if you have any ideas, do let me know. Or if you have any places that you would recommend, whether that's little towns or just whatnot, let me know, because it'd be very appreciated. And I really want to try and do something in those 2 weeks, because of, like I said to David, we cannot stay indoors for 2 weeks straight because we all go mad. But yeah, that's it really. Nothing else to talk about. Let my hair dry naturally. I'm gonna brush it out in a bit, I think, because I feel like I'd like to try the curly girl method, because as you can see there are bits of my hair that are curly. I feel like I have not full on curly hair, I reckon I have semi curly hair, because you can see some of these are quite wavy. So maybe I will try the curly hair method after my birthday and see if I can get bits of my hair curly, because that'd be great if I could, because I am trying to like put less heat on it anyway. But yeah, I might Google that now and see. But you can see where like some bits of the purple shampoo have taken more in places than others. But that's going to be interesting when I go to straighten it like another day. It's going to look ridiculous, but who cares? But yeah, I'm going to go now, chill out. I'm going to put my jumper on because I'm actually really, really cold. And let me know if you know of any places to go. Good morning, it is Wednesday and I'm obviously filming today, vlogging. I've just woken up and I put my gym stuff on, like workout clothes. I've just filled up my massive water bottle. This is by Hydrate. It's a 1.3 litre bottle and I've just done that with some ice. I'm gonna drink that and I made myself some breakfast. And today I am gonna do a montage day, purely because I kind of want to just montage it, film as much as I can for you, and then try and film as much as I can for the rest of this week until Friday, because on Saturday, Sunday and Monday I'm going to vlog a like mini birthday vlog type thing. I'm going to just do my birthday, because Saturday we're doing a barbecue with David's brother and that, and then Sunday me and David just doing like whatever, just me and him. Monday we're going out to Top Golf and then going out for dinner with David's brother and that as well in the evening to this really nice Indian that's like, it's not close but it's not far either. And then Tuesday next week I am seeing my mum. I mean, my mum are going out for the day. We're going to go shopping and then go get a cake and have tea and cake, I think. But, yeah, so I'm going to do a birthday vlog, I think. We'll see. We'll see how much footage I get, basically. If I don't get enough footage for the rest of this week, we won't be doing a birthday vlog, we'll just be rolling it into this. If not, we'll be doing a birthday vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna make breakfast now because I'm starving and I'm gonna have a yogurt, because I bought a load of these yogurts. If I just get them, a load of these skier yogurts from Aldi. So I've got passion fruit, blueberry, and then I think I have strawberry, and they go out of date very soon. They go out of date on Tuesday. So I'm gonna have one of these for my breakfast today with some fruit and maybe some brown flakes or something. But yeah, I'm gonna show you that now. It is 6ish, nearly 7, and I have somehow managed to convince David to go to B&M with me. It closes at 8, and I've convinced him to go to B&M with me. I was scrolling on, you know, like on Instagram they do those pages where they go into the shops and find like what's new in the shop. Well, someone did it for B&M, and there's loads of Australian chocolate, like dairy milk and stuff, and loads of American cereals. And I want to see if the B&M near David has it. I know the B&M near David isn't as good as B&M near Canary Wharf, which is in Beckton. If you are over in the Canary Wharf area, Beckton B&M, amazing. Like, me and David have been in there a couple of times after work when like he used to drive into Canary Wharf. Best B&M I've been into, considering I've been into quite a few, and that one always seems to have all the American sweets, cereals and everything. So we're holding out hope for David's B&M basically. But yeah, we're going there. I'm literally just wearing this white cami top from Primark, and then these like ripped, threaded shorts from a Misguided last year. I actually got these in a 16 because Misguided sizing is really bad. But yeah, we're gonna go to B&M, and if I get anything, I'll show you when I get come back from B&M. They didn't have the dairy milk chocolate that you can get in Australia, which was disappointing, but they did have Pop-Tarts. So I got the cookies and cream, hot fudge sundae and s'mores. These were $2.99 each. When I went up London a couple of weeks ago, I paid £6 for one of these. So I'm really happy. And then they only had Fruity Pebbles cereal. I have never tried this and I've always wanted to try it. So I bought this as a treat. Then David bought Milky Way, crispy rolls, Chibits, and then we went into Iceland and I picked up some of these as well as some pizzas for Sunday, because that is what I want to have for dinner on Sunday as a birthday treat. It is Thursday. It's 2 o'clock right now. I am so tired, if I'm going to be 100% honest with you. So if I look tired, please excuse the way I look. I went to sleep about like 5 AM and then woke up about 7ish. I'm very tired, but I'm also very, 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 very happy. I came off a call not that long ago from a recruiter, and it sounds so stupid. I haven't got like an interview just yet. They're sending my CV to the company I applied for, but it's a start in the right direction for me. After 3 weeks of knowing that I might lose my job and applying for jobs, and I think 1 week of obviously not having a job, like literally today is a week since I got told that I don't have a job no more. I've applied for hundreds of jobs and all I've got back is rejection after rejection after rejection. Last night I couldn't sleep. So at like 3 in the morning, I went through Reed and applied for a load of different jobs, and 2 got back to me today from the ones that I applied last night. So don't ask me how. It's been less than 12 hours, and 2 jobs I applied for last night at 3 AM have got back to me, but the jobs that I've applied for like last week and the week before and that, still nothing. But I'm so happy. I need to get back to the second person and just tell them I am interested in the job still and everything. And like I said to David, it's good just to have multiple jobs lined up for interviews, and then if I get offered any of them, I can pick the one that I want. I was going to work out, but I'm so tired. I do not have the energy, and I have a really sore stomach today. And I think it's because I've eaten mince, and I keep forgetting I need to learn that I can't eat red meat anymore because it makes me feel ill. So yeah, I'm gonna just chill out today, watch telly, apply for some jobs, chill, look for an outfit for this possible job. I also need to edit the weekly vlog. That's something I need to do as well. I'm gonna do that as well. It is Sunday, late afternoon now, and me and David are just about to do dinner, which is something super easy. It's literally these pizzas, ultra thin pizzas from Iceland, and you've got this chicken tikka one, which is amazing, and then we're trying out this sweet chili chicken one as well, and they just kind of look like this. We're gonna have those for dinner, and then we're just chilling out for the rest of the day. It's melting today. It is basically like, I think 32, 33 degrees. My mum's just come round to drop off my birthday cards because I'm not seeing her tomorrow because obviously I'm with David, and then I should be seeing her on Tuesday, I believe, if everything goes well. I had a phone interview on Friday, obviously, and I feel like it went very well. Yesterday, me and David had a barbecue for Craig and Roz. We all just hung out and played like games and stuff, and basically had a barbecue, and it was lovely. And I forgot to film any of it because I was having too much fun, and that is the problem with a lot of this. I always forget to film, so really sorry about that. But yeah, it was a really nice barbecue. And now we're just gonna have pizza and kind of melt in the front room because it's so hot, and we're gonna wait for it to cool down a bit, and I think we may go out for a walk or something tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna pop you on charge because you're flashing at me and say you're dying, and obviously I need you to be fully charged for tomorrow. But I'll show you what the pizzas look like when they come out of the oven, and then I'll catch up with you some other time like today. But I'm hot, and it is really, really hot. This one is the sweet chili chicken, and then this one is the chicken tikka one that has come out of the oven, and they're like really, really thin. So we're gonna cut these up now and have them for our dinner. It is much later, and me and David kind of got sucked into just watching Channel 5, like crappy TV for hours. So we're now gonna go to bed, and tomorrow it's my birthday. So next week I will have a few days of like birthday stuff and possibly a job interview as well. So come back for next week to see another weekly vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one. Hopefully it was longer than some of the other ones or more interesting, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.